Erin, a Learning Officer with National Museum Wales, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy sensory slime for children right from 6 months up to adults. You'll love it. So to make your sensory slime, you will need corn flour, water, just cold water is fine, something to mix it in, a tray or a bowl, and a spoon for mixing. That's all you really need. I'm also adding some cocoa powder and a pig. And this makes it a sort of pigs in the mud activity and just adds another layer. You can add in glitter, you can add in food colouring, whatever you like. This slime recipe works in any ratio of 2 to 1. So you want 2 cups of corn flour to 1 cup of water. And that's in however many or whatever size object that you want. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is fill my cup twice with corn flour. I'm now going to add in my cocoa powder. I add this in while it's dry because it's easier to mix together before it gets wet. And now add your water. And mix it up. This can take quite a long time. Don't be tempted to add more water until you're sure it's all mixed in. So if you do need to add a tiny bit more water at this stage, that's fine. This is Emrys, he's 1 and he's going to have a little play with this Gloop today. This is food safe. If babies put it in their mouth, it's okay. I mean, it won't taste lovely, but it won't hurt them. And also it can go in your clothes, it'll come out in the wash, so don't worry about staining. Let them make a bit of a mess. So this substance is somewhere between liquid and solid. It moves like a liquid. You can pick it up like it's solid and squeeze it like it's solid, but as you let it go, it will turn back to liquid and it will drop off your hands. This is a sensory activity, so it's brilliant for children to use their senses to learn about things. It's also brilliant for fine motor skills, pincer grip, picking up small bits, picking up really big handfuls, squeezing in their fists and letting go. It's also good for language skills. Emrys is a little bit young, but with an older child you could talk about how it feels, about if the pig likes it in the mud, or whatever characters you're using. You can talk about smells. Because we've used cocoa, this has a really chocolatey smell. This is brilliant indoors or outdoors. It's a really good one for in the garden on a sunny day.